Good morning. While the rest of the world is doing those super high sugar, dangerous, heart disease promoting, diabetes promoting, pumpkin spice drinks, I'm gonna do a pumpkin spice protein shake. So I'm starting with my scoop of vanilla protein, 18 amino acids. Lots of those companies rave that they have 3 or they have 9. We have 18 on purpose. They all need to work together in conjunction. Some of those 3 and 9 don't even work without the other ones. So beware of the protein you're purchasing. I'm not a measurer. I like a lot of pumpkin, so I'm putting a nice scoop. Actually, I'll do a little more. I'm gonna throw a medjool date, so I've pitted it. I am going to do some pumpkin spice. Here we go, pumpkin spice mix. So then you're also getting all the nutrients from the pumpkin spice mix and using non-dairy milk. Dairy is nasty for you. And again, to my liking. And I'm gonna blend this puppy and enjoy a nice pumpkin spice protein shake. Okay, we're gonna taste test this with the man because I could tell you anything's good. So he just got in from his walk. He's trying it.
Yeah, it's good. It's real good.
Okay, see? It's not just me telling you. What did you just say?
I said it's the best shake I've ever had.
And what else did you say?
It tastes like pumpkin pie.
And?
I don't know what else
You
I
said something about ice cream.
Oh, we can make ice cream like that.
There we go.
Yeah.